To our school director, Right Reverend Monsignor Ramon L. Tulan. To our SOX Finance Officer, Reverend Father Leonardo L. Tan. To our spiritual director, Reverend Father Jacob M. Enriquez. And to our beloved school principal, Mrs. Colisnila B. Basal, teachers, parents, students, fellow graduates, and completers. Good afternoon. Today, as I stand on the edge of my graduation, I am filled with thousands of emotions. It is a moment of triumph, joy, and reflection. It is also a moment that prompts me to pause and express my deepest gratitude to those who have played an instrumental role in my journey thus far. These words of my gratitude are a humble attempt to convey the immense appreciation I hold in my heart for unwavering support, guidance, and love I have received along this path. Each step I have taken has been nurtured by the presence of extraordinary individuals who have believed in me and invested their time and energy to see me succeed. First and foremost, I offer my heartfelt gratitude to the Almighty God for granting me the opportunity to pursue education and for blessing me the capacity to learn and grow. You still give me a thirst of knowledge and the intellectual gifts that you bestowed upon me. You have blessed me with teachers, families, and friends who have nurtured my intellect and encouraged my growth. Their wisdom, dedication, and support have been invaluable, and I am indebted to their guidance. Above all, I give thanks to you for your steadfast presence in my life. You have been my guiding light, illuminating my path, and leading me towards purpose and fulfillment. Your wisdom and discernment have guided my decisions, and your love has been enveloping me in times of uncertainty. Your grace and mercy have been a constant source of comfort and forgiveness, reminding me that I am never alone. To my family, especially to my mama, I am overwhelmed with gratitude for your unwavering love, support, and sacrifice. Words cannot adequately express the depth of my appreciation for everything you have done to help me reach this moment of graduation. You always call me to know what I've been doing throughout the day and reminded me to never skip my meals. Thank you for your countless sacrifices. You have always put my needs before your own, selflessly dedicating your time, energy, and resources to ensure that I had opportunities. Thank you for your unconditional love. Your love has been a guiding light in my life, providing me with comfort, strength, and reassurance. To my Papa, thank you for being my pillar of strength. Your guidance and unwavering belief in me have been a source of inspirations. To my ates and tiyas, thank you for being my lifelong companions, confidants, and friends. Through the ups and downs, you have stood by my side, offering unwavering support, encouragement, and laughter. Our shared memories, adventures, and short experience have shaped me into a person I am today. Your love, camaraderie, and unique perspectives have enriched my life in ways I cannot fully express. Today, as I celebrate my graduation, I dedicate this achievement to every one of you. It is a testament to the love, encouragement, and lessons you have instilled in me. To my teachers, I would like to express my greatest gratitude to you. Thank you for igniting the flame and imparting your knowledge in me. Your guidance, both inside and outside the classroom, has challenged me to push my boundaries and strive for excellence. Because it is our hobby to procrastinate, you are always there to guide us. You never let us go astray and lead to the right path for our future. Thank you for being more than just teachers. You have been our mentors, role models, and source of inspirations. Your kindness, patience, and genuine care for your students have created a nurturing and empowering environment. Today, as I graduate, I carry with me the invaluable lessons, skills, and memories that you have imparted. Your dedication and commitment to teaching have left an indelible mark on my life. I am grateful for the sacrifices you have made, the impact you have had, and the beliefs you have shown in me. Thank you, dear teachers, for being the guiding stars in my educational journey. Your impact will forever remain in my heart. To my dearest classmates, as we stand together on the threshold of graduation, I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you. The bond we share and the collective experience we had throughout our educational journey have made this moment even more meaningful. Today, I want to express my heartfelt appreciation for your friendship, support, and memories we have created together. Our time together has been filled with laughter, mischief, and unforgettable moments. Thank you, my fellow classmates, for being the source of entertainment during these painfully long lectures. Your witty remarks, clever comebacks, and perfectly timed jokes made even the dullest subject bearable. Who knew education could be so fun? I want to express my sincere appreciation for the countless group projects we survived together. From the last-minute cram sessions to the inevitable flashes of ideas, we managed to create masterpieces that were either a stroke of genius and masterpiece of chaos. Either way, we pulled through it. Let's not forget those infamous group study that turns into lab. We may not have absorbed much knowledge, but we certainly managed the art of procrastination and the skills of ourselves that we were being productive. You all giving for turning the simplest moments into unforgettable adventures. From spontaneous road trips to our check-ins, we've created memories that will keep us laughing for years to come. Our laughter, camaraderie, and shared experience have made this journey truly remarkable. As we part ways and pursue our individual paths, may we always remember the moments that made us laugh until our stomach hurts. Lastly, I want to extend my gratitude to those names may not be mentioned here, but played a part, big or small, in shaping my journey. Whether it was kind, a moment of encouragement, or a helping hand, your impact has been profound. I am deeply appreciative of your presence in my life. In conclusion, as I look back on the countless memories, the lessons learned, and the personal growth achieved, I am overwhelmed with gratitude. This graduation marks not just an individual accomplishment, but a collaborative effort that has involved unwavering support and encouragement. From the depths of my heart, for believing in me, for pushing me to strive for excellence, and for helping me become the person I am today. Your contributions have been invaluable, and I carry the impact you have had into my life as I venture into the next chapter of my journey. Thank you very much.